Sarah Wairimu and Peter Karanja have been charged afresh for the murder of Tob Cohen. They have both denied that on the night of July 19th and 20th, with others not in court, they murdered Cohen. George Maringa reports.
That they will not provide it.
The prosecution has sought to consolidate murder charges against Sarah Wairimu and Peter Karanja. The two were separately charged with murdering Dutch tycoon Tob Cohen. In an application heard by Justice Stella Mutuku, Senior Assistant Director of Public Prosecutions Catherine Moniki said the victim was the same and the particulars, including dates of the offense, place and time, were also the same.
The accused in 65 of 29 is among the accused or persons we had intended to join with the accused in 60 of 2019.
The Constitution requires that by the time an accused person is arraigned before court, investigations ought to have been completed.
However, both Sarah Wairimu and Peter Karanja have denied that on the night of July 19th and 20th, with others not in court, they murdered Dutch businessman Tob Cohen.
Months later, none has been availed, to the point where I have gone blue in the face saying not an iota of evidence, not a shred of evidence has been produced to the defense.
Regarding consolidation of charges, Justice Stella Mutuku ruled that the two charges are similar as the facts are the same, adding that the application by the prosecution was in order and based on the law.
I want to believe that the prosecution is, in this case, will do what it takes and what the calling of that office entails to ensure that this court is facilitated well in order to dispense justice according to the law.
Justice Mutuku ordered the prosecution to put their house in order and to make sure that they supply the defense with all the necessary witness statements and information that they intend to rely on during trial within the next 2 weeks. However, Mutuku directed that Karanja and Wairimu should remain on their earlier 2 million shillings cash bail.
My understanding of these provisions, specifically J, is that is Article 50J, is that this evidence must be provided to the defense before it is presented in court in order to enable an accused person to know the evidence against him or her and to adequately prepare for his or her defense.
Peter Karanja was moments later arrested outside Milimani Law Courts. A warrant of arrest had been issued by a Naivasha court where he is wanted for robbery with violence. George Maringa,